Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about second chapter of accountancy, that is change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. In this chapter we are going to cover super profit method and capitalization method. So let's begin. Question number 10 is taken of super profit method. First of all, question is a firm earned profits of rupees 80,000, rupees 1 lakhs and rupees 1 lakh 20,000 and rupees 1 lakh 80,000 during 10 11, 11 12, 12 13 and 13 14 respectively. The firm has capital investment of rupees 5 lakhs. A fair rate of return on investment is 15% per annum. Calculate goodwill of the firm based on 3 years purchase of average super profit of last 4 years. In this question, first of all, we will calculate average profit. Average profit calculated on the basis of previous 4 years profit. Average profit equal to total profit upon number of year. Total profit is 80,000 plus 1 lakhs plus 1 lakh 20,000 plus 1 lakh 80,000 upon 4. Finally, we will get 1 lakh 20,000. After then, we will calculate normal profit. Normal profit equal to capital employed into normal rate upon 100. Capital employed value is 5 lakhs given in question. So normal profit equal to 75,000. And after then, at last, super profit equal to actual average profit minus normal profit, means 1 lakh 20,000 minus 75,000. Super profit amount will be 45,000. Now goodwill equal to super profit into number of purchasing year, that is given 3. So finally value of goodwill in this question will be 1 lakh 35,000. This is total value of goodwill for the firm. Our next question number 16 is taken of this concerned topic. On April 1st 2020, an existing firm had assets of rupees 5 lakhs including cash of rupees 20,000. The firm had a general ledger of rupees 90,000. Partners capital account of return is 20% and the goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 64,000. At 4 years purchase of super profit, find the average profits of the firm. This is very important question for board point of view. First of all, we follow some steps for calculation of actual average profit. Goodwill equal to super profit into number of purchasing year. Goodwill is 64,000 is given. Super profit is not given, into number of purchasing year is given 4. So finding easily super profit equal to 16,000. Capital employed equal to capital balance plus reserve 3 lakh 80,000 plus 90,000 4 lakh 70,000, or capital employed, one more formula for that, assets minus liabilities means external liabilities. So 5 lakhs minus 30,000 equal to 4 lakh 70,000. Now normal profit equal to capital employed into normal rate upon 100 equal to 4 lakh 70,000 into 20 upon 100 94,000. Now super profit formula is actual average profit minus normal profit. Super profit is 16,000. Actual average profit is not given and normal profit is 94,000. Finally, by the helping of plus minus, actual average profit will be 1 lakh 10,000. This is total value of goodwill for this question. Next method is capitalization method. Question is question number 17 taken for discussion. The average profit of a firm is 48,000. The total assets of the firm are rupees 8 lakhs. Value of other liabilities is rupees 5 lakhs. Average rate of return in the same business is 12%. Calculate goodwill from capitalization of average profit method. So formula for goodwill in capitalization method, goodwill equal to actual average profit into 100 upon normal rate minus capital employed. Average profit is given 48,000, normal into 100 upon normal rate is 12 minus capital employed. It will be finding out total assets minus external liabilities, finding 3 lakhs, input the value of capital employed. Finally, we will get the value of goodwill for the firm 1 lakhs. And next questions, important question number 18 of this method. Anupama, Purnima and Ruchika are partners in a business. Balance in their capitals and current accounts as on 31st March 2019 where Anupama, Purnima and Ruchika balances of capital and current accounts are given. The firm earned an average profit of rupees 2,40,000. If the normal rate of return is 12%, find the value of goodwill by capitalization of average profit method. My dear student, for capital implied balances, for finding out the capital account balance, merge the balances of the current accounts. So average profit is 2,40,000, capital implied equal to Anupama balance, Purnima balance and Ruchika actual balance. 6 lakhs capital balance and debit balance of current account will be reduced. Same for Purnima. And for Ruchika, 10,000 will be taken of the credit balance of the current account. Finally, total capital implied is 15,20,000. Our normal profit equal to 15,20,000 means capital implied into normal rate, that is given upon 100. Finally, 1,82,400 is normal profit. Super profit equal to 2,40,000 minus 1,82,400 means to stay. Actual average profit minus normal profit. Super profit value is 57,600. Goodwill equal to super profit into 100 upon normal rate equal to 4,80,000. This is the total value of goodwill. By capitalization method, we can solve this question. Average profit is 2,40,000. Capital employed is 15,20,000. Goodwill equal to actual average profit into 100 upon normal rate minus capital employed. Finding a value of goodwill 4,80,000, that is same as before. So revise it. Thank you.